after the movie, the whole kiss scene and all of that, we were like, hey.
But
before that, me and him we were hanging out, but it was the movie. It was the movie that sets everything on fire. And I keep trying to say, it's a movie. I keep asking me, so have you kissed him after the movie? I'm like,
no, yeah, but see, it was two young couple, beautiful combination. Munina Muni and Dead, more Warianke, Bedford. Bibia said, yo.
I mean, the future day, you can never. I would say that, because.
Yeah. But Bassa, so I bet Obisum. He's a nice boy. Yeah. But the Wuchim, the next say he has become more like a big brother or boy with your career.
Not big brother, more friends. Like we fool a lot. Like people think behind, people see so much romance, but behind it, the fooling is more. Like we're very, very cool, but I think it's good.
But did it worry you when people were saying, say, we need a dating?
Oh no.
And how? Kidi put a girl to be a man, one.
No, oh no. No.
Obi a me one. And said, "Oh, cry for the dozen." Don't him cry.
Rivals.
Yeah. Oh, cry for the dozen. If it was real, like yeah, come dozen. So the expectation is if you will be cry to one is, hey, Madam Way.
The only thing was Kidi's fans sometimes when he posts the picture and I go and write something like mine and like it's hey, he's not us, he's not yours, he's for us. Kidi's fans, the girls, hey, but apart from that, no other person will come and DM me and say be my
like wow. But it's if there was nothing, absolutely nothing between you, were just friendship.
We are friends.
That's all, and you are still friends.
We are still friends.
It's all your new song you cry now. You had to do with him.
He pretty much wrote like 80% of the song
for you.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, and produced the song.
Yeah. I don't know him. Kidi pewase mo wana wo pewase. More day. Yeah. And you ma wodi bas why 80%. Video is your jemu pumping. Hey,
coming here, of course, in the fire crack.
David Kidi pewase or pewana or pewase mubako. Hey, mommy, it's 1 year she moan so bet me up on BB sound.
Oh.
Hey,
very intelligent. Hey, oh, I mean,
why you BB sound, but one I won't feel.
Oh, we vibe.
You vibe. Hey. It's when you know what time your mama only in corner next one an hour more no.
No, there are other people there.
Okay. Yeah. But I'm sure we shouldn't be surprising in the future. We see so finally Kidi sending down with Cina, so we shouldn't be surprised, should we? We shouldn't be surprised. I carry Okay, so this is the new